Hey everyone, welcome back to TechLoad. If you're bored with your regular phone layout, then wait till you see this. Today I'm going to show you how I customize my Android home screen like this. Clean, unique, and super functional. So if you want to make your phone look awesome and stand out, stay tuned. Install Good Lock app. Install Good Lock app from Galaxy Store or Play Store, then open Good Lock app. Then here, install Home Up app from Good Lock app. Then open Home Up app. Then turn on that toggle. Then tap on home screen. Then turn on that toggle. Done, go to home screen. Then tap on screen, empty spaces, hold. Swipe left and tap on the plus icon. Then tap on screen, empty spaces again. Then tap on widgets. Tap on clock app. Then add clock widget. And set position. Then add app home screen. Then tap on screen empty spaces again, and then tap on DIY home, and customize apps position and size